Hi. Hi, what's up? Hippo here. Today, this is my first reaction, and I decided I want to go something simple for a try not to laugh challenge. And today, for this try not to laugh challenge, we're going to do the unusual memes compilation. This is version 134. So, with that in mind, there's a lot of versions. I'm probably not going to watch all. I'm probably going to watch only 2. So, if you like this video, like and subscribe. Sorry if I'm cringy. I don't care. Let's get on with the show.
Oh my god, I said that's a minute.
Why?
Round 1.
He's thinking, oh, no, I want the doggy to win, bruh. Why you not let the dog win? Oh, this is gonna end up.
I really don't care that you're a baby.
Okay.
I'll snap your neck like a
Oh no, it's even separating. Why is that blurred out? This is a censorship? It's green though. Ow. Why? I'm in a laughing mood right now, so I'm trying best not to smile nor laugh. And it's killing me.
Fuck you, buddy.
Ah. Oh. Cat, don't fall. Don't fall. A dramatic fall. Sorry about the dogs. For some reason my microphone isn't working, so yeah. That's a goose.
Bro, got fucking big ass thumb, bro.
That's a trash game, JK, not a trash game. It's I respect it.
Bro, damn.
That laugh though.
High five. Too slow.
No! No! Nah. Bruh. This dog, bruh. Yo, where's his owner? Where's the owner? I want to put their head on a stick. You don't disrespect a little puppy like that.
So you want to grip it with your fingertips, and with the right side of your hand, you basically flick the mouse to the left, and then with your thumb, you push up and to the right. It is so extremely simple. The issue is not your wired mouse, it is your lack of willpower.
Dance.
Why is it censored?
Why? Give me another jig. Dance. Again, go on.
I think it's trying to do a dirty mind trick. That I'm just retarded. You had one job there, Pablo.
God, there's like nothing to eat.
Was that a ferret? Oh. I'm not gonna lie, I actually flinched on that. Oh. Nah. My board be defying gravity. Oh, and that cat dead. Oh, that is Toad. I lost. I hate myself. Goodbye. I already laughed, so I guess we'll just continue the video with me laughing like a weirdo.
I'm gonna slap him so hard, catnip dust gon'. Oh, you watching me sleep for, Clancy? You trying to give me that fresh skibbity paps while I'm asleep? I was just. You always trying to slap me in my sleep, Clancy. Why don't you go find some business, man?
Me and my sister be like.
Catnip or something, man. Get your life together.
He just slowly backs his head down. He's like, nah, I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm cool. I don't know why I did that. I'm weird. Why am I drinking that like it was in a beer can? Why? Why?
F-O. I mean O.
Oh, is that? I was not expecting that. Bruh. Oh. Oh, I'm crying. Alright, that's amazing. Okay.
F-O. I mean O. Zero. I mean.
Please don't make us. Okay, no, he doesn't. That cat dead.
Is it the small ones from Dunkin' Donuts? The little skin ones? The donut holes? Yeah. Okay. Alright, I bet.
Yo, Dude Perfect wants to talk to you.
What? The fish is shaped like a Tootsie Roll, see it? It's a Jolly Rancher.
Wait, what was that? Okay, I got lost because he said Tootsie Roll, then Jolly Rancher. This fish shaped like a Tootsie Roll.
Shaped like a Tootsie Roll, see it? It's a Jolly Rancher.
That's a Jolly Rancher. Is that a Jolly Rancher? I don't know. Hamster. That's a cute hamster. Yeah, thickums.
This fucking bird. Ready? 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 This motherfucker.
You want any orange juice?
No wonder why my Wi-Fi's trash when I play Call of Duty. I'm just not gonna question that drawer. Don't worry, the cat has 9 lives. It'll live. Again, Dude Perfect wants to talk to you. No, don't. I swear if it ruins the computer, I'm done. Come on, don't. Okay, I was about to say. Wait. You have one job! No! Puppy! It crippled! I'm so no! Rizzo, I'm sorry about the dog. I like dogs. I didn't mean to laugh at that. It just caught me off guard. From this. Did not mean to do that. What? Cut your finger?
Salve.
Dude Perfect wants to talk to you.
Basketball trick shot. Here we go.
Basketball? What?
Suck it, baby.
I was suck it, baby. Zoom.
I'm gonna get the call.
Ow. Floof. It's a floof. Oh, this is not gonna end well. Yep. He takes that bottle. Oh, at least it wasn't. At least he didn't hit his crotch. That's the only good part. Aw, that's the end of the video? Come on. Well, we're not ending there. We're gonna do it one more time. One more video.
Okay, so I was planning to record a second video, but I don't know, the recording got corrupted and it only captured my voice and not the video's audio. So sadly, the second video will not be in here, just be the first. I might do I guess, a little part series on it. But if you do want to see that second part video, I'll make a new recording of it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Now here's some texts.